And
what up? What up, peeps?
Action.
Dang, you see that?
All
What
right.
up, peeps? He come with a new one.
So I'm trying to wake up, get ready for you guys. We're going to do this instructional. Let's get it out the way. We don't want to take much time. It's late and I'm ready to go to bed.
Okay.
Night, night. All right, let us begin. All right, so the dance is called A Nasty Blend. All right. So dance going to start off with the bucking part. So when you buck, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You moving back with that?
Yep. So you just bucking. How you look, buck, Dre?
Yeah, I'm not buck. Yeah,
bucking.
Buck. Look at that shoulder. Yeah, pop that shoulder.
All right. Just throw the shoulder like you throwing brothers off.
Y'all seen the TikTok?
Cool, right? So the next part. So you're gonna buck going back, 8 count. When you buck going back up, because after you went back, you're gonna go up. It's gonna be like 6.
Yeah.
So it's gonna start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, coaster step. Okay.
So what they doing? We paddling,
go right into a coaster
step.
All right, and go right into your coaster step. Now, just so you know, this is the long intro. All this is the intro. All right, so we're gonna go up again. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Coaster step. Fake turn, coaster step, turn.
And I told him my whole body.
Yeah,
he
Dre
just turned his head. I turned my whole body.
So whichever works for you. So you coaster step, fake turn, coaster step, turn. From here, you're going to do a coaster on the left. Same thing. Coaster step, stump on the right.
You going fast? Okay.
Shoot, they're going to.
Rewind, he's saying.
You want to teach?
No.
Okay, then.
I'm helping teaching.
Whatever. Anyways, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Coaster step. Fake turn, coaster step. Turn, coaster on the left, step. Fake turn, coaster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It's still the intro. What'd you say?
Do it one more time. Full intro.
All right, let's go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Coaster step. Fake turn, coaster step. Turn, coaster on the left. Step. Fake turn, coaster. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, awesome. We got through that part. Now we're going to go right into the Kendrick part. So the Kendrick is right, left, double on the right, left, right.
Y'all know what it is. Wow. Okay, y'all know what it is.
All right, so we're going to go again. So it's going to go
right first.
I'm tired, guys. Just want to let y'all know.
Okay, come on.
Anyways, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Right, left, double on the right, left, right, double on the last time, right, left, double on the right. Okay, so that's the last time you do it. Then you're going to go right into part 1. 3 steps. Left, right, left, twist, twist, heel. Okay, and you know the Dre twisting. It's up to you. It don't matter. Whichever's comfortable for where you twist, it's up to you.
Left, you twist right.
All right. So let's go ahead and do into part 1. Walk it up on the left. So 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Twist, twist, heel, coaster step, fake turn, coaster step, turn. Just like how we did in the intro. All right. So you're going to do that again. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Twist, twist, heel, coaster step, fake turn, coaster step, turn. From here, you're going to do a sailor right, sailor left, half a V going up on the right. So it's going to be sailor right, sailor left, half a V, up, up. Okay. Let's do it again. Part 1. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Twist, twist, heel, coaster step, fake turn, coaster step, right back. Sailor right, half a V, up, up. From here, you're gonna go back and back with the right going back, back step. 1 and 2, side easy, coaster on the left, stomp. Okay, so it's gonna be up, up, back and back, rock easy, coaster, step, stomp. You got to do it like that because if not, if you do coaster, step, it's gonna throw you off a little bit. All right. Part 1, walk into it. 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1, 2, 3, twist, twist, heel, coaster, step, fade, turn, coaster, step, right back, sailor right, up half a V, back and back, side easy, easy, coaster, step, stomp, fade, turn, coaster, step, turn, but you're gonna coaster on the left, coaster in. Okay.
I know. Y'all got this. It's gonna be easy.
Let's go. This is the hardest part of the dance.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, let's go. Left, right, left, twist, twist, heel, coaster, step, fade, turn, coaster, step, sailor right, right back, half a V, up, backside easy, easy, coaster, step, stomp, fade, turn, coaster, step, turn, coaster on the left, V. So now you're gonna go again like you did the half a V, but instead of the back and back, we do it to the beat on that part. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and double. All right, and it's a rock recover on the left.
The other way too, but so if you see us doing something different, you know why. Right.
So you can do it the same way we did originally, or you can do it this way, which is to the music. So it's gonna be 1, 2.
I did the coaster. My bad. V step, half a V.
Half a V, right? She probably ain't even the only one who did that too. Here you go, half a V. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Side easy.
You're gonna do a side easy this way.
So it's a rock.
And do a rock easy to the front.
So rock recover on the side.
Rock recover on the side. My bad.
Yeah. All right. So let's do that again. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Easy. 2 hood walks. Hood walk. Okay. We good? I'll go back to the top of the one.
Yeah, top of one. Do it all
together. Top of one.
So,
all right.
You can put it all together.
Yep. Walk it up on the left. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Twist, twist, heel. Coaster, step. Fade, turn, coaster, step, turn. Right back. Half a V. Back step. Twice. Side easy. Coaster, step, stomp. Fade, turn, coaster. Coast on the left. Half a V. Up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Side easy. Back and back. Rock easy.
Hood walk.
Hood walks.
Hood walk.
From here, you're going to go right into a rock easy again. Easy. Walk it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay.
You know that all snap. You know how they be doing.
Yep. So you're going into part 3. So what I just did was 1, 2, and 3. We finishing up on 3.
Let's do that part again. They don't know what you did.
What I do?
We do the hood walk. Hood walk. Rock easy. Walk it back. 1, 2, 3. Ba ba ba. But they got to hold. You ain't tell them about the hold.
Because the hold ain't that long.
Yeah, but you got to listen to the music. You know, you hit that ba ba. You got to hold it, then
go ahead and
drop
do the part. Just do the part.
I gotta do it. Oh my God. Rock easy. I mean,
go ahead.
Hood walk. Hood walk. Rock easy. Walk it back. 1, 2, 3. Ba ba ba. Boom boom.
All right. So just so you know, that stump part is going to be kind of like off. Off on a beat. It's like on an off beat. So it's going to feel uncomfortable. It's going to be on an off beat. I'm just letting you know. So if you feel uncomfortable, you're still doing it right.
Yes.
And if you're not doing it right, then that means you're too comfortable. Anyways, so after you do that, bring it down. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you go up. Okay, yeah.
Yep.
After that,
because you're doing it 3 times. You drop it on the right. 2, 3, 4. Then the left.
6, 7, 8.
Then the right.
Then you walk up on the left, right, down.
Yes.
Okay.
Left, right, bump, bump, bump.
Yeah, the music, you're going to hear it. You're just going to walk all the way up, right? And then you just go into the special, the fun part.
It's only done once, guys.
So let's start from the top of 1, 2, 3, and then go right into the special. Show you
From
what
the very,
special.
very top?
Nah.
Just from the 6 up, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
6 up?
Yeah, I know it's go 8 back.
What you
The
doing?
bucking.
You going all the way into the bucket?
Okay. We don't have to go to the
All
bucket.
right. All right.
We'll do the whole thing
Do
at
you
the
want to
end,
go into the
y'all.
bucket now? Should we?
Yes.
Well,
Yeah,
you said
come
it
on,
like
time's
that.
going. Let's go.
I said it like that. All right, let's go all the way from the top to the bucket.
It don't start when the very first of
Not
the
the first
song.
bucket.
The first bucket, you get into
It's
the
when
floor.
the music comes on.
Ding, doo, ding, doo, ding,
That is
ding.
definitely not the music.
Ding, doo, ding, doo, ding,
Dre.
ding. Okay.
All right. But 5, 6,
take it back.
7, let's
Anytime.
go. 1, 2, 3,
I'm sorry.
4, 5, 6, 7,
Bring it
8.
up.
Take it up. Boom.
2,
3, 4, 5. Here we
We're
go.
gonna paddle.
5, 6, 7. Coaster step. Fade, turn, coaster step. Turn, coaster on the left. Stomp. Fade, paddle.
Coaster.
5, 6. Kendrick. Right, left, double on the right. Left, right, last time. Right, walk it up. Here we go. Left, right, left. Twist, twist, heel. Coaster step. Fade, turn, coaster step. Right back.
Right back.
Half a V. 2 back steps. Side easy. Coaster step, stomp. Fade, turn, coaster step, turn, coaster, half V. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rock
easy.
2 hood walks. Rock easy on the right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Boom, 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 boom. It's 2. It's 3. Walk it up. Here we go. Left, right, left, bump, bump, bump. All right. So that is pretty much the end of the dance. Now you're going into the special. With the special, it's just a square.
A square. Going like that.
So it's
we gonna move the crowd. We moving the crowd.
We're moving the crowd.
Yes.
So it's gonna be 1, 1, then 2, right? On the right. Mm-hmm. But when you get to the second time to go to the left, we split it up. Boom, boom, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. We come back to the middle. When we come back to the middle, always remember to go up on the left because you're getting ready to go into part 1 again. It's going to be left, right, left, twist, twist, heel, coaster, step. All right. So that is the end, right? So you'll do 2 rotations of that part after the special. 2 rotations starting in part 1. Now, another tip I got to let you know, because you're about to end is the second rotation. You're about to end the dance. You're going to end it where, let's do part 1, the second rotation of part 1 real quick so you can catch it. So you're walking up left, right, left. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Left, right, left. Twist, twist, heel, coaster, step. Fade, turn, coaster, step. Turn, right back. Half a V, back step, back, easy. Coaster, step, stomp, fade, turn, coaster, step, turn, coaster on the left, half a V. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, back. All right, this is the last rotation of this dance.
Footwalk.
Rock easy.
Walk it back.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Then bucket.
Bucket. And it ends the dance.
Yeah, so you don't hit that bop, bop, bop.
That's the last rotation.
Like you,
yeah, like that's the last rotation of the dance. And that is the end of the dance.
All right, so you're going to come back with the video?
Come back with the full dance, full video, so you can enjoy it.
I want y'all to view this. Rewind it back, send it back.
Have fun.
Slow
Run
it
it to
down.
your people. I'm telling you, it's a fun
hard.
dance.
You had that one little hard part,
really
but y'all
hard.
got this.
It's really hard.
Y'all got this.
So enjoy yourself.
Hard.
Have fun.
Watch the video after this so you can do it with us.
All right, we're going to do it with the music.
All right, peace out. Hope you like it.